We're going to start trying to put videos on our website every week from our attorneys to give some advice out to the folks that are out there that visit our website. Today I want to talk a little bit about estate planning. And estate planning is this really broad term that can mean a whole lot of things. The most basic level is what I want to talk about today. Everyone who is an adult should have a will, a medical power of attorney, a durable power of attorney, and probably a HIPAA directive. These are things in our business we consider a will package, and they're all one lump sum price that we take care of. People will say to me, well, my wife's going to get everything anyway. Why should I do a will? Well, in today's world, we have many people who have blended families. In other words, we have people who have children from other marriages or relationships other than the marriage they're in right now. That is not what will happen if you don't have a will. Everything will not go to your wife. And a lot of people don't know that. And then they're very, very surprised about what happens in those negative consequences. Most importantly in a will, I think, is naming the person you want to be in charge. I always tell people it's best to name people, whether it's for your powers of attorney, whether it's guardians for your children, because typically as lawyers, what we see is sometimes the worst candidate is the one who will step up and file a petition to take on that job. And it may be the person you would least want to do it. Maybe they're the least suitable. Maybe they're the most litigious, and that would cause problems. So I would encourage everybody to think about these kind of things, as well as understand that when we talk to people about this kind of stuff, we can ask and walk through any scenarios you have. So a lot of people will say, well, it will take too much of my time. I don't have time to get a list of my whole assets together. You don't have to. We can talk in general terms and educate you about this process. This is one of the most important things to me as an attorney, is that if folks would just get these basic documents done, it would save so much heartache and time on the part of their family members that may be left behind. So I would encourage anybody who doesn't already have these documents, or if you have them and they need to be updated, please call me. I would love to visit with you. Right now we're doing a lot of phone consultations because of the COVID-19 that's affected our area. But there are ways to get these things done. They don't have to be stressful. They don't have to take a long time. They don't need to take a lot of your time, but we can answer a lot of your questions. So please keep that in mind and let us know if we can help you with any kind of estate planning matters.